Open it. Oh. Let's see. Let me help you. Okay. Open it up. What is that? What do you think that is? That's from Auntie Brooke.
Oh!
She got that for you for your birthday. I think there's something else in there. You want to look in there?
Yes.
Okay, look in the box. All right. Look in here, James. Look. There's something else in here. Look in there. Look, James. Look. Can you get it? Whoa. What is that? Do you like that? Wow. Can you say thank you, Auntie Brooke? Can you say thank you? Thank you. Can you say Auntie Brooke? Say Brooke. All right. Thank you, Auntie Brooke.